Welcome to GSL GM City, 1720 Boat Trail Southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today we're looking at this beautiful brand new 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss. This big red truck is powered by the 5.3 liter V8 and mated to the 10-speed automatic transmission. Once on the interior of this beautiful Silverado, we do have the power window options and mirrors all on the door here, as well as your trailer select mode, 4x4 buttons, and your lighting options. And we do have the electronic parking brake down here as well. Moving to the steering wheel, that beautiful black Chevy bow tie in the center here really grabs your attention. We do have the black leather wrapped and heated steering wheel with your steering wheel heat button on one side and your cruise control here, and on the other your push to talk and your dash controls. And here, moving to the dash, we do only have 5 kilometers on this Trail Boss as it is a brand new truck. Jet black leather interior with the silver stitching throughout. We have push button start on this truck and the 8-inch touchscreen for nav, audio, and climate controls. We do have the heated seats in the front for the driver and passenger as well. We do have that beautiful integrated trailer braking system in these trucks as well, so it is ready to tow right off the lot. Saves the customer a little bit of time of getting that installed. We do have the parking sensors here as well. Auto stop start, you can drop the tailgate from the interior. Traction control, there's a 120 volt outlet in the bed, which is activated through the button here for safety. And you do have all these beautiful USB outlets and a 12 volt outlet here as well. You have those beautiful dual glove boxes up front here for extra storage. Wood trim pieces thrown throughout, make this truck a little more luxurious. And these beautiful black leather seats, very comfortable, very easy to keep clean. Perfect seats. Moving on to the exterior of this Trail Boss, we do have those beautiful big 18-inch wheel and tire package with the blacked out rims. We do have the Goodyear Wrangler Duratrack tires on there as well. Very off-road oriented tires because this is a Trail Boss. It does come with the factory lift kit, the 2 inches in the front there to level out the truck. It is quite significant when you pull up next to another Silverado without that option. We do have the molded mud flaps on this truck as well, the off-road Silverado running boards underneath the cab of the truck. We have that hitch coming out the rear bumper, black front and rear bumpers as well, LED lighting on the headlights and the taillights, and the easy close, soft close tailgate at the rear as well. Moving back into the interior here, this is a crew cab truck, so there is lots of room in the back here. 60/40 leather split with cup holders that fold down from the center, and the in-seat storage in both the ends here. Both seats do flip up as well in case you want to keep your leather protected. Flip all your seats up and have lots of storage back here. We do have those beautiful dual USB outlets here and your heat vents, LED lighting in the roof, and that beautiful extra headroom for your tall passengers. Thank you for watching this brief walk-on video on this brand new 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Trail Boss. When you're ready to come down and see this red hot Silverado, come please see us at GSL GM City, 1720 Boat Trail Southwest.